welcome to school.
That my girlfriend, the one you know, isn't it? It's over between us. Must we quarrel? I don't want again. I have seen another new girlfriend.
What have been jumping for the skill this game?
My babe. Who is your baby? Who is your baby? How many times have I warned you? I said I'm not doing it again.
It's just saying this for heaven's sake.
I said I'm not doing it again. Leave me alone.
Why?
What? Funker! Funker! What? Funker! Funker! Jesus is love! I hear me to meet by me. Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
Barry, what's up? How are you doing?
I was not saying yesterday. You say yes. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I thought you were joking. Now you know you're a comedian. We don't know when you're serious and when
you're comedian. Hey.
So you have the effrontery to toast my babe, my girlfriend. Let me tear him apart. No, let me.
Swap on the singing. See, a lot of things I go let you know. Yeah. You see this life, we go come and go. Cause any now, yeah, it's your niche.
What? Funker! Funker! Jesus is love! You can be prosecuted for that. You will end up in McDonald's. I thought you will hear of this.
Because this will not be the last time.
Obutu.
Abade.
My girlfriend will leave here. No.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Your girlfriend?
Oh my God.
You said this time.
You don't want again. Well, they don't disappoint me for we are going. I don't want again. Obutu, you can know what you do yourself today.
Allah! What's sorry? School to